So these are the three things I'm going to use. I'm going to use a little bit of eyeliner, mascara, and lip gloss, and done. So first I'm going to start with the eyeliner. I'm just going to lightly go along my brow line, thickening things up. Not too much drama. Same thing on the other side. Right along. You know, they're sisters, they're not twins. Yeah, that's the deal. They're sisters, they're just not twins. Let me fix it up a little bit more, balance it out. And there we go. The sisters look like they're family now. That's it, family. Family, we're done with the eyebrows. That took, what, maybe a second or two. I'm going to do a little bit of mascara to make the eyes pop a little bit. I've got long lashes naturally. They're just thin because I'm older. That happens. There we go. Same thing on this side. I try not to stick myself in the eye because then they turn bloodshot and they water. But there we go. That pops a little bit. Go over here for a second coat. Starts to thicken up even better. Same thing on this side. And we're done here with the mascara. And now for the finishing touch. I always like something that's got a little shine to it. I don't really put any glitter or anything down on my lips. There we go. And the Duchess is ready to go. Isn't that just bougie? Thank you. Done.